Today we're making a traditional Irish shepherd's pie with lamb. We'll start by dicing our onion. Cut it in half and then cut the ends off of one side of each half. Peel off the outer skin. Cut strips lengthwise, making sure to keep that one end of the onion still intact. Then turn it the other way and continue cutting to get a nice even dice. Then crush your garlic slightly with the flat end of the knife so you can peel off the paper easily. Cut it into small pieces. And then continue to cut until we achieve a nice fine mince. Peel your potatoes and then cut them into about 1-inch pieces. Place the potatoes in a large pot with salted water, cover it and bring it to a boil over medium. While the potatoes are cooking, heat your oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. When it's hot, add the onions and cook for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add the ground lamb and break it apart with a wooden spoon or a spatula. Then stir in your parsley, rosemary, thyme, salt, and pepper. Cook for about 6 to 8 minutes, stirring occasionally. Then add your Worcestershire sauce and garlic. Stir it again and cook for about 1 minute. Add the flour and the tomato paste. Stir it well until no clumps of tomato paste remain. Then add your broth and your frozen vegetables. Bring it to a boil and then reduce it to a simmer and cook for about 5 minutes. Check that the potatoes are done with a fork, and if they are, drain them into a colander. Return them to the pot and then add the butter, the salt, and the pepper. You can mash with an electric mixer or just by hand. Add the milk and continue to mash until they're smooth. Spoon the meat and vegetable mixture into your casserole dish, lined with a baking sheet so it catches any spillover. Spoon the mashed potatoes over the meat and smooth them into an even layer. Bake at 400 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes and cool for 15 minutes after. And there you have it, Irish shepherd's pie with lamb.